Hello, my excellent friends. I want to thank you for joining me in this study session. This is my study guide for the Form N-400 application. I am Dr. Gloria Steeling, and I have prepared a script to help my students practice their interviewing skills and prepare for their citizenship exam. I've given you this introduction so that you will know how to use my videos and get the most out of them when you are practicing for your interviews. So with these scripts, typically in class, I ask one student to be a volunteer. That student will be person A, and they ask the questions. Then person B answers the questions. When I do these videos, I will be person A, and I will keep silent so that you, person B, can answer the question. For example, how old are you? How many children do you have? So I didn't answer the question. You answer the question. These are just suggestions that I've placed into the script. Please press pause if you need to think about what your answer should be, and then answer it. After that, you can go through all of my videos, play them again and again, and substitute in your answer and memorize what you wrote on your application form. So, let's jump into it. There are 10 parts to my videos, and I sincerely hope that they help you prepare for your interviews.